grupo na discussion and it's very good, healthy discussion. Palakpakan tayo amin. Likewise with our resource speaker, Sir Manong Dennis po. And of course, dagito'y nagagagat. Sagsango kami, ti Tublay. Amin kayo maigmay. The IPs, different staff from the different municipalities of the 13, ito'y Benguet. And of course, makabasulat na ko yung mamudag ito'y Sangguniang Panlalawigan members na adatoy. We have here from Tublay, Mr. A.L. Amoy ni A.L. Armando Lauro. Yes. At that ni IPMR kayo from Sangguniang Panlalawigan IPMR, Manong Benjamin Malbosa, Dr. Kamano, Kamula Kamatitig. And then we have here Kapsat na Jim Butiwi niya. Yes, it's very good. We are very open with discussions. Niya, Papakananaoy, Ibadoy, Kalamuya, and others. But me personally, hindi ko binap, noong na i-trusted ko lang pa si Jenny Sunibawan pa, mali ko na dito. Lahat niya, ito da kami at my age, hanap pa lang expert in isala. No, we are learning very hard. Ito nga at the times kung kaya nagpasulo kami ni Benjamin. No, tikas tayo siguro, yeah, of course, with tourism, as initiated by our tourism family, headed by Kapsat ni Edgar Sar. It's good. You all are very aware of our culture. Isu mailaban nyo mo na kayo sa may sati amuyo, what stay here, what stay here. Yan. Nakalkaroon na ipasa from your parents. Ang mukha lalagyan pa nyo, kahit yung insuro ni tatang ko, dahil ito dapat ilaban ko. No, but then, no, manong population tayo ni Benguet is 470. No, all of us will be heard. Awanan ikalpasan tayo. Ito nga, it's good. You made mention the DJ, mabalin ko mga things to be noted, to be considered in surat amin iki tourism office, tourism and culture and arts. No, the next siguro niya, IP, we will be discussing this one. At iset tayo to the standard. No, we have to create a technical working group. Na isudan to, dagito yung technical working group ng members, the DJ expert. Kitaan tayo mga the DJ certified, qualified, and at the integridad na. Nga isunto, ibaon nyo nga at discuss. Understood? Although amin yung bagayo, it was well noted. Of course, natin yung mabalin na dun sa sa otherwise, awan to. Manungatawan, maawan tidak duman, awan tigwa. No, importante ko maada ko matiyot ito eh. Niya, at ado ko matiyot. So, syempre, tiyot ko isuntuti, download lang tayo the information, isuntuti at patuloy. Niya, so siguro nagijay, naglugian tayo kata, and then things na are missing link kata, we have to next with the Sir Edasar. But importantly, in every municipio at i-budget at i-IP konsenda. Tatlohan na pangking. Into'y province, they are very much interested. Nung gusto mampot sa ijay municipio, ay siman pala. At ikas ano may agro-grow tayo in our IP knowledge. So my heritage is very good. We safeguard our identity, our culture. We advance progress, we embrace progress, na kaya tayo deeply rooted on our culture, identity, and tradition. Ito na din ito ay sabuno.